How to silence your negative inner critic. There's an inner voice that exists in all of us. It tends to chatter constantly in our heads, commenting on every thought, decision, and action. However, that voice can be your negative inner critic. It can turn into a relentless entity that will point out flaws, insecurities, and self-doubt. What you may already realize is that it's detrimental to our self-esteem and overall well-being. This guide will show you how to spot your negative inner critic and dispatch it accordingly. By the time you're finished, you'll be able to keep things positive, including that inner voice. Let's get started. Practice self-awareness. This will be crucial in silencing your negative inner critic, because you need to catch yourself saying these things inside your head. When that happens, you're going to flip the script. In fact, that's what we'll talk about in the next section. So keep reading. Challenge negative thoughts. After you have identified these negative thoughts with self-awareness, you want to challenge them. For example, instead of saying something like, "I am terrible at this," challenge it with your successes and accomplishments. If it's a new skill you want to improve, say, "I'm not the best at it, but I know I can do better." Get the idea? Practice self-compassion. If there is one thing to replace self-criticism with, it's self-compassion. Be kind to yourself. Treat yourself like you would a friend. Be sure to remind yourself that mistakes and facing challenges are normal. We're all human, so it happens. Be good to yourself and acknowledge your efforts, regardless of the outcome. Set realistic goals. There is no need to set goals that are overly ambitious or unrealistic. You want to set realistic goals and break them down into smaller, achievable steps. Celebrate your progress every step of the way. When this happens, your confidence levels will go up, and it will help you maintain focus on your accomplishments, not your perceived failures. Final thoughts. If you are looking to silence your negative inner critic, you want to follow these 4 steps above. Being able to catch these negative thoughts and challenging them constantly will turn the tide. You will begin to think more positively and develop that can-do attitude to get things done. Are you ready to tell that negative inner critic to shut up? Good. Follow the steps we've provided and it will